Hi everyone. I am seeing a bit of a sell-off today and wanted to make a quick video to update you all on the price action. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So let's start off by looking at the Qs. Triple Qs. Okay. So the triple Qs have been on quite a bullish run over the last year or so. I see the price is kind of pinching towards the apex of this rising wedge, which is bearish in nature. However, we're quite far away from the apex, so I don't think we're in danger zone as of right now. As you can see, the price bounced off of the lower trend line in March, a couple of times in October. We got close to it the day before yesterday. Bounced up a bit. However, today we are in danger zone. We must stay above 319-ish today to continue to stay in this rising wedge. If we do close anywhere below this price level, that would be very bearish. Another bad sign is we are currently below the 21-day exponential moving average and the 50-day simple moving average on heavy sell volume. So I really hope the market recovers over the next couple of hours. If not, then we could turn bearish very, very quickly. Moving on, let's have a look at Apple. So Apple has been moving upwards for the last year or so, and it's been bouncing off quite nicely off of this white trend line a few times earlier last year, in October, November, December. However, earlier last week, boom, we went right through this trend line and below the moving averages. This is looking quite bearish. Apple is most definitely a sell. At these levels, we must get above these moving averages and continue the upwards trend to get out of trouble, but right now we are not looking too good. Moving on, let's have a look at Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft seems to be bouncing off of the 50-day simple moving average. As you could see, the prices did fall over the last couple of days as tech sold off. However, we are forming a nice base here. As long as we stay above this moving average and start moving upwards, I think we should be okay with Microsoft. It's not looking as bearish as Apple. Let's have a look at Amazon. Amazon had a big bull run since March of last year, and then went sideways starting summer of last year in this wedge formation. We touched the upper trend line a couple of times. We touched the bottom trend line about 6 or 7 times. However, we did fall below on pretty decent sell volume today. We must close above 31.46 in my opinion. If we do close below this price level, Amazon could get slippery very, very quickly. We are below the moving averages as well, so Amazon is not looking too good. Let's have a look at Alphabet. We have this white trend line which acted as an area of support multiple times over the last year. We are forming a nice bullish flag over here. Perhaps you could see it better on a line graph. That's the leg, this is the flag, and we're ready to bounce. Looks like we are ready to bounce on Alphabet right off of this 21-day EMA. So this one is looking quite good. Let's look at Facebook. We had a very nice leg up, consolidation sideways. As you could see, the moving averages are coiling up. This is forming a lot of pressure I feel like we could go up or down. Right now we're right in the middle, so it's a little bit hard to say. I would not place a buy or sell in this case. However, we could move either way on Facebook. Let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia has a nice base as well. It is looking neutral to me at the moment. We are above this white trend line, which is bullish. However, we are below both of these moving averages, which is bearish. So I would just not buy or sell at this time. Let's have a look at PayPal. So PayPal has a very nice uptrend, bounce off of this white line of support a few times. We are currently below the purple 21-day exponential moving average, but we are forming long wicks right off of the 50-day yellow simple moving average, which is good to see. I do hope to see a bounce up. If we do break down below it, and especially break the white trend line, this could turn bearish very, very quickly. Let's have a look at Netflix. So we seem to be in an upward trajectory on Netflix as well, similar to the other big tech names that we just saw. However, the price seems to be consolidating sideways. It's not moving up or down. This is boring price action. I would just personally stay out of this. If we do break this white trend line, however, it could be very, very bearish very quickly. Let's look at Zoom. Zoom had a very, very explosive bullish run. Nice consolidation over the last few months into a triangular pattern. As you could see, the price went up, came down, and now is bouncing around inside this triangular formation. We are right at the edge. If we do break this important support level of 367, if we do close anywhere below it, I think Zoom could be in trouble. We do have earnings coming up next week, so please be careful if you are currently in this stock. Shopify. Again, just like Amazon, had a very healthy bull trend. We're currently forming a base on the 50-day simple moving average. This is looking quite bullish to me. If we do bounce from here, this is quite bullish. It's good to see. Let's have a look at Square. This is the upper trend line that I drew that acted as an area of resistance. We got rejected multiple times over the last year. Double top rejection over here, which is quite bearish in nature. And now we seem to be below the 50-day simple moving average as of this afternoon. If we do close below this moving average, I would absolutely be very bearish on Square as well. Let's have a quick look at Lemonade. Lemonade is very, very bearish. We're below all the moving averages and selling off on heavy bear volume. Earnings are coming up on March 1st, but I am not bullish at all on Lemonade. Let's have a quick look at Baba. We're above the white trend line, however below the moving averages. Again, this is not looking too bullish to me. I do want to see this above the moving averages. I'm pretty neutral at this time. However, if the price does break this white trend line, I would perhaps look to go short. Last but not least, let's have a look at Bidu. Bidu looks beautiful, very, very bullish. We seems to be in an upwards trajectory above the 21-day purple exponential moving average, bounced off of that moving average in January as well. Another bull flag. We are bouncing off of it again as of today. Bidu looks really bullish to me. Thank you for making it to the end of my live stream. If you'd like me to cover a stock in my next video, please leave it in the comment section below.